Hello students, welcome to GK class. Now before I show you our new topic, let us see today's clock. Here goes our today's clock. First we'll be starting our chapter 2nd, that is Superlatives of India, and then assignment, and the last will be the summary. Next. So here goes your today's topic. What it is? Superlatives of India. What is the meaning of it? There are some important landmarks in the world that have significance in our history and our present. Knowledge of these landmarks is essential to enhance our general knowledge and understand their importance. Let us get started and see some superlatives of the world and of India. And students, you are really going to enjoy this topic. So as you know, superlatives says about the tallest, largest, biggest, smallest, all these. Okay, so let us start with the first, largest. What is the question? Largest desert in India. Which is the largest desert in India? Answer is Thar Desert, which is in Rajasthan. Yes, it's a Thar Desert. Now details. Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It covers an area of 2 lakh square kilometer and forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's 17th largest desert. Now let us see next. Highest civilian award. And the answer is Bharat Ratna Award. So Bharat Ratna Award is the highest civilian award. Details. Bharat Ratna was instituted on 2nd of January 1954. It is conferred in recognition of exceptional service or performance of the highest order without distinction of race, occupation, position or sex. So students, which is the highest civilian award? And the answer is Bharat Ratna Award. Next. Now see, highest gallantry award. I repeat, before this you have seen highest civilian award. Now here is highest gallantry award and it is Paramveer Chakra. Details. The Paramveer Chakra, we also call as an abbreviation PVC award. That is Paramveer Chakra is the India's highest military decoration awarded by the President of India for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. The Medal of PVC, that is Paramveer Chakra, was designed by Savitri Kanolkar. Please remember this, students. It was designed by Savitri Kanolkar. And gallantry award, highest gallantry award is Paramveer Chakra. Now see this, you are going to love it. Longest beach in India. I repeat, you can see the photo also, students. Longest beach in India, and it is Marina Beach in Chennai. Marina Beach in Chennai. Details. Marina Beach is a natural urban beach in Chennai, which is in Tamil Nadu, along the Bay of Bengal, and it's 6 km long. Next, largest rock cut Hindu temple. Now from the rock they have cut it and made a temple. So largest rock cut Hindu temple is Kailasa temple at the Aloe Vera caves, which is in Maharashtra. The Kailasa temple is the largest of the 34 Buddhist, Jain and Hindu cave temples and monasteries known collectively as the Aloe Vera caves. Most of the excavation of the temple is generally attributed to the 8th century Rashtrakuta King Krishna. So the largest rock temple is Kailasa temple at the Aloe Vera caves, which is in Maharashtra. Next. Largest Gurudwara in India. And the answer is Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple, Amritsar, which is in Punjab. So it is the largest Gurudwara in India. It is the holiest Gurudwara and the most important pilgrimage site of Sikhism. Next. Next, largest mosque in India. And the answer is Jama Masjid, which is in Delhi. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1650 and 1656. The courtyard of the mosque can accommodate more than 25,000 people. So the largest mosque in India is Jama Masjid, which is in Delhi. Highest dam in India. It is Tehri Dam, which is in Uttarakhand. So which is the highest dam in India? Tehri Dam. It is a multi-purpose rock and earth-filled embankment dam on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri in Uttarakhand. The Tehri Dam withholds a reservoir for irrigation, municipal water supply and the generation of 1000 megawatts of hydroelectricity. So which is the highest dam in India? It's Tehri Dam. Next, longest national highway of India. Which is the longest national highway? Answer is National Highway 44. You also call as NH44. So it is the longest national highway of India. It begins from Srinagar and terminates in Kanyakumari, stretching over a distance of 3,745 km. It passes through the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir as well as the states of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So which is the longest national highway? It's National Highway 44. You also say as NH44. Next, longest railway platform in India. It's longest platform, okay? Answer is Gorakhpur Junction Railway Station in Uttar Pradesh. On 6th October 2013, Gorakhpur became the world's longest railway platform with a stretch of around 1.35 kilometers. Gorakhpur Junction Railway Station is directly connected by all regions of India and has many long route trains originating and ending at the station. Next. Now the tallest statue in India, and the answer is Statue of Unity. Students, always remember what is the tallest statue in India? It's Statue of Unity. Now let us see the details. Statue of Unity is the statue of Indian statesman Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and is located on a river island facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam on river Narmada in Kewadia colony, Narmada district, Gujarat. It is 182 meters tall and it's currently the tallest statue not just in India but in the world. Next, largest river island in India. Answer is Manjuli Island. Manjuli is a river island in the Brahmaputra River, Assam. Manjuli is currently listed as the world's largest river island in the Guinness Book of World Records. Next, longest sea bridge in India. And the answer is Bandra Worli Sea Link, Mumbai. Details. Officially known as Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link. This 5.6 km long bridge links Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai with Worli in South Mumbai. So longest sea bridge in India is Bandra Worli Sea Link. Now, students, I hope you enjoyed knowing about the superlatives of India. So here we end our class and your assignments is as follow. First, name the tallest statue in India. Second, name the largest mosque in India. These two questions, you have to write the questions as well as answer in your RNB notebook.